YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Mac TheWiseSole, and I'm back with a new video. So, before we even get started with everything, again, I'm back, new video, gonna come to you today. You seen the thumbnail, you seen the title of the video, so you probably already know what the shoe's gonna be about, so we're gonna get into that. But before I even start, you know what I'm gonna need you to go ahead and do? Go ahead, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and don't forget to go ahead and give the video a thumbs up and let me know you're rocking with your boy, because as everybody in ShoeTube world tells you, it puts the video out there for everybody to go ahead and share, take a look at, and it brings more people to the channel. And at the end of the day, that's what we want to get as many eyes on the channel as possible. For those that have been rocking with your boy, I greatly appreciate it. Again, thanks for tuning in to your boy, checking him out. Also, thanks for following me on Instagram. For those who are not following me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me right here. It's on the screen. It'll also be down in the description. Again, it is TheWiseSole. Follow me there on Instagram. Also on Twitter, TheWiseSole. Come check your boy out. So let's go ahead, get right into it. I'm going to get y'all in and out. Hope you guys have a great Thanksgiving week. Let's go ahead and get into the sneaker. Alright, so we got here Jordan 4 box. So you already know what shoe it is. Again, like I said, it's either in the description or probably on the thumbnail, so you already know what's going to be inside. This shoe is going to be releasing this weekend coming up. And as you see here, the classic Jordan 4 box, red Jumpman, flight written in white. So you know what's going to be inside the box. But before I go ahead and do all that, your boys got to read the description on the box. It's what we do here. Y'all already know. So we have the Air Jordan 4 Retro, color spectrum, white, fire red, black, tech gray. In a size 12, which is your boy's personal size. Retail price of this shoe is $200 US. And as you know, I'm gonna go ahead and get you that right there, and it's focused. Now, let's go ahead and get to the sneaker. And here we go, the Air Jordan 4 Fire Red. So, first things first, this sneaker has come with a little bit of controversy the last few weeks. We all saw when the sneaker was first unveiled that it was coming out this year. We were all hyped about it. Obviously, everybody who follows all the sneaker sites and everything, you guys have seen all the information regarding this sneaker. But there was an image that came out maybe 2 months prior, to this release of this upcoming weekend. And there was a picture of this shoe, and the picture looked like it was going to be an infrared colorway. And it had a lot of people upset, frustrated, saying, hey, they weren't going to cop this shoe. They weren't liking the infrared. But then another picture came out maybe like a couple weeks later, and we were able to see that it looks like it's a true fire red color. And indeed, like that picture showed, it is a true fire red color. As you guys can see right here, I'll get you close up. I don't know if it's going to show on the camera. Looks pretty good. That is definitely not infrared. So that was one of the big controversies. Another controversy with this shoe is the quality of the shoe. So a few of us were able to get early access and exclusive access for this shoe, and people were getting their pairs in, and they were upset with the quality. They were saying there was creases in their toe box, paint chippings, and that there were issues with it. People were upset and didn't think the quality of the shoe, met the hype. And it's understandable, because this is gonna be a massive GR, and these kind of things happen. Looking at my shoe, I can see a little crease in the toe box right there. I don't know if you can see it. It's really not that big of a deal to me. I'm probably gonna try to double up on this shoe anyway. And I'm gonna rock it, so it's gonna crease regardless. It is what it is. That's just what 4s do. Kind of like my white cement 4s, it definitely creases here in the toe box, but you can wear shields or whatever in your toe box if you want to, or you just roll with it and just go with it. That's what happens with the sneakers. So those kind of things happen, and it just is what it is. When you're in the sneaker game, that's just what happens. First, look at the shoe here. Like I said, it had the little crease here in the toe box. Not really tripping about that. I'm truly excited about this sneaker. One, because most of you guys already know the Jordan 4 silhouette is probably my favorite silhouette of all the Jordan silhouettes. Just because, one, it was the first Jordan sneaker I ever owned as a child. So it's going to always hold a special place in my heart. And the fire red colorway, when I was a kid, I actually had the white cements. I actually had the black cements. I didn't actually own the fire red 4 as a child. So this is really the first time I've really had my hands on this one. The one that came out early 2000s, I actually held before, but I never actually owned that one either. I don't know what happened. You was young then. You might not have had the money like you wanted to, but that's not an issue no more. So this is my first time bringing this baby back home into the collection. So I'm going to add it with all the other Jordan 4s. I think my previous video before this one, depending on which order I put the videos up, was a PSG 4. So it looks like we might have back-to-back 4s. Just real quick, if you're definitely going to buy this shoe this weekend, it should be something that's easy to grab. Not too many issues with grabbing the shoe, as long as you're doing your footwork. You should be able to cop this shoe. I don't believe this is a limited release. This should be a massive Black Friday weekend GR. Normally they are. You should be able to cop this shoe. Even if you don't cop it retail, the resale on the shoe probably won't be too high. So definitely go ahead and get a look at this shoe. Again, I'm taking a quick look at it here. I'll show you that. As you guys see right here, it does have the Nike Air on the back side of the shoe and that fire red hitting against the black pull tab. Definitely a dope shoe. Red Jumpman, black flight written on the tongue, white tongues, OG hang tag. Quick look at the bottom sole here of the shoe. You got gray, white, red, Nike branding in red. You got that hit of gray here on the back of the outsole of the shoe. Leading up to the midsole, you have that fire red coming up to the midsole. Going around all black here. Again, it's a matted kind of look here on the outsole of the shoe. Leading up to a predominantly white upper. You have your white netting on the shoe here. Let me move this out the way. Your white netting with that black background here in the netting. If you focus, is right there. White tongue. It doesn't come with spare laces, so these are the only laces that it comes with. Again, like I said, on that tongue right there, and it's back to the OG style where you have the outside or the inside of the tongue liner is not showing above the front of the actual tongues. That takes it a little bit back to the OG form, kind of like what they've been starting to do with the Jordan 3s. So again, this is a pretty dope all-around shoe. Like I said, a couple little flaws in the shoe. I definitely plan on doubling up. Let your boy know in the comments, are you copying the fire red 4s? If so, how do you feel about the shoe? Are you excited? Let me know in the comments. Also, of the original OG 3, remember the military blue came out slightly a little bit after that. If you're going to go ahead and cop the shoe like I was saying earlier, you can definitely go ahead and go true to size. Jordan 4s fit pretty smooth. They, you know, wide foot, small foot. However, if you go true to size, you should be definitely fine copying your shoe in your own size. So now the moment of truth, so I can get you guys in and out. Like I was saying earlier at the beginning of the video, what will I give this on a scale? The TheWiseSole scale, 7-point scale. You guys know how your boy does it. And for me, I am going to give the Fire Red 4 a 6 out of 7. This is a must cop for all my OG sneakerheads. It's a must cop for a lot of sneakerheads out there. You need to own a pair of Fire Red 4s. Forget the quality, forget all that. It's an OG colorway, it's an OG look. And just look at the shoe. Throw the hang tag out the way. You can rock this so many ways. It's an amazing shoe, that Nike Air on the back. It's a beautiful shoe. You definitely need to go ahead and get you a pair of these. So the shoe releases this weekend, November 28th, again for a retail price of $200 US. I hope everybody who wants a pair is able to get a pair. Thanks for tuning into the channel. Again, make sure you follow your boy on Instagram. It's in the description. It's also on the screen somewhere. You know I'm going to throw it up here somewhere. I appreciate everybody tuning in, checking out the channel. So, for the Jordan 4 Fire Red, you got your boy Mac TheWiseSole. Remember, stay humble, stay hungry, stay wise. Gang.